And tell me a little bit more about the business that you're obviously working on or with.
Yeah, so we are called By Design. We are a consulting engineering firm based in Stellenbosch. The company was started by my boss, Barend Oosthuizen, in 2006. He also comes from Bloemfontein, actually went to the same school as me. And yeah, so we have that connection, stayed in the same neighborhood as well. And then after school, he studied at University of Stellenbosch. And then after his studies, he got a position as a structural engineer at one of the largest consulting firms then in South Africa. Their name was Africon. So he worked there for a couple of years, and then he got another position at a steel fabricating company in Cape Town. He worked there for, I think, 5 or 6 years, and then in 2006 he started his own company called By Design in Stellenbosch. So that is yeah, that's kind of the backstory of where it started. And then it obviously started out as a consulting engineering firm, where we focus on all our approach. Our different approaches are, as we do a lot working with timber, and yeah, we are basically design engineers that design structures and buildings, and yeah, and that's kind of the service that we offer on that side of the company. And then in 2008, he bought a lot of equipment to start kind of a second division of the company that we are calling building stabilization side of the company. Yeah, they kind of bought the equipment. There's a bit of a backstory that I will get into a bit later. Of where it started, now it started. But yeah, so we are currently two divisions in one company. The one is the engineering side, the other side is the building stabilization side that we're obviously going to speak a lot more about. So that is pretty much where the company started, and yeah, where we currently are.
How big is your team currently?
We have to count now. So Barend is the PR engineer that's registered with EXA. So you pretty much have to sign off on everything. Then we have 3 junior engineers, and then we have 2 draftspersons or draftsmen on that side of the company. And then on the building stabilization side, it's me doing the operations and the marketing, and yeah, pretty much my running that side of the company. And then we have 2 site managers currently that's leading the 2 teams that we have. And then we have obviously some of our laborers and general workers that also work here. So all in all, we are close to 10-15 people, counting in everyone that's pretty much on the payroll of By Design.
Yeah.